if that's a thing too. Here today, Rustycat. Where am I at? Coolhand. Let's go. This is Rusty's first time driving the JLU. He doesn't talk.
I talk.
Oh, snap! Scared me.
I'm concentrating.
I'm obviously not concentrating because I wasn't even watching the car. This whole talking thing's really hard. But anyways, Rusty finally gets to come out and play today. I'm gonna talk to this guy, Nick, in Napa, tell him how hard it is to get people to come and play. He says, yeah, they just don't get it.
It's pretty fun.
It is fun. You have to find it. And my guy clearly can't film two at once.
Come on, little girl.
Man, you gotta get it up to halfway and give her full beans. Yeah, yeah. Full beans. Full send. All right. You might have to get a little bit of gas on that one. It gets kind of high centered.
Gonna make it over that?
Get bottomed out, I'll fly over it. That's a good little spot. I would have never seen it. I would have been back over the waterfalls where it's super loud. And I did notice it's about 2 days. The silicone leaves the tire, or the WD-40 leaves the tires, and it go back to about the stock size. The sidewalls are firmed up again and everything. I was really hoping one of these days, with all these youngins around here, they'd see me out here playing cars and say, "Hey man, what's going on?" and come over and play. But then I realized in a short amount of time, youngins nowadays aren't friendly at all.
No, they're not.
Like, I've passed so many of them. Hello, good day, and they don't say anything.
They're probably plugged into something.
Yeah, they don't say anything. It's like, okay, mean,
Shadow out of the way.
bad, mean adult is just gonna keep walking and go play with his RC cars.
All right, what just happened? Oh,
That's a GoPro.
that hill's way too steep.
You
think?
You might make it. You might have to switch it into high on the trigger. No, look at that. Look at that.
That was easy.
Uh-huh. You come back over?
Can't see my lines. I'm just gonna guess.
It don't sound like you're making it.
I gotta watch my nose.
Oh yeah, you're all jacked up over there.
Ooh, this is gonna be a tough climb. use your ground clearance to get up this one.
Push that thing on the high, dude, on that trigger. Throw the beans to it.
Beans.
Yeah, the beans, man. Nah.
Yours, try yours over here.
Well, I haven't made it up this side yet. Here, let's go this way. Where are you, car? Oh, look at that. He made it and wasn't even watching. All right. Let's see if Turbo can make it up here. Yeah, it made it up. Oh!
Sorry.
You didn't hurt nothing. All right, where are we? All right, camera guy. There you are.
Yours makes it look easy.
Oh, some big tires. Hey, did I do a good job filming it?
Oh, yeah.
I wasn't watching it.
Oh, I couldn't see what was on.
No, I wasn't watching it. All right, let's do it again. This time paying attention. Ah, the beans.
Watch out, I'm gonna get
The
you.
beans. That's what that is. Gave it the beans. Hey, you want to push?
Yeah.
I can push it.
Push it over.
Yeah. Or I'm gonna crawl. Go back up this way. Oh, stuck. Come on, guy. Oh, yeah. I do find it seems like a lot of times you don't need wheel spin. You know, it's like, like especially with those stock tires, those really do good if you just slowly go and it grabs. All right, I'm gonna roll. Yeah, boys. Come on. Come on, guy. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Little guy, what are you doing? Oh, yeah. Come on, guy. No, talk. Huh? Talk.
I got a 4-minute some video on that.
Nice. You want to follow me up this run?
Sure.
That's pretty good, dude. I like it. I just started over here.
Altitude over here.
I started over here.
I like it on high better.
I know, but the problem is you don't have the drag brake.
Oh, it rolls back.
Yeah, because it's always wanting to do just a smidge of throttle reverse.
I see that, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, here we go, follow leader. Okay. Ah, there you go. One way or another, right?
Find the lines.
Let's go. This away. Oh, I don't think you. All right. I don't think you can make it, but it seems like you are. And you gotta watch that little JLU. It'll wanna lift that tire. Yeah. Rustycat's in the bushes. I think a hand of God. I think you got to drive it from right there.
All right, let's do it.
I don't see why it won't make it. Well, you gotta make it.
No, you said right there.
Wow. At least get you headed up the right way.
Are you filming it?
Oh hell yeah, I'm filming it. I'll even zoom in for you.
Come on.
That tall grass is tough.
There's a big rock I'm trying to. That's too steep. I'm gonna have to work it over here. There we go. Come on.
Honestly, I thought you'd be able to go up like right here, but I don't know. It's pretty steep. All right, just drop.
Come on. I'm just getting farther down.
Hey, just throw the truck over to me and I'll put it over here. Just hand it to me. Just. Let's see. So can we get off of here without flipping? This thing wants to flip. Oh no. Yeah, it usually catches itself.
I'm gonna shake hands with danger.
Well, you probably get off there. You give it. Make sure you get on the throttle, because that sometimes you can cartwheel it. Oh, guy, get up there! Yeah. Oh yeah. You go in front of me, and you go in front of me.
I can't go around you.
Why not?
I'll tip over.
Nah. Go. What time? What time is it here?
Come on, don't tip.
Just turn the wheels a certain way. Sometimes that's all you need.
Oh no.
This thing's more twitchy sometimes than that.
Hanging on there.
Nah, you're all right. Just turn the wheels the other way.
I gotta climb up this rock. Yeah, I got over it.
Yeah. That's kind of what's fun about that one. It's a little bit more challenging, you know? You gotta be on a game.
This is it.
You ain't gonna make it over that stick.
Not that stick. Get around. Oh, right side up.
Hey, good deal. It's a mulligan. I don't think you can get back up here, dude.
I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna take this
I'm gonna go to the top.
scenic route over here.
You didn't see that.
Who's getting to the top?
You didn't see that. Was funny.
I saw you. Aiden.
All right, now.
Oh
I'm
no!
That's all you gotta do.
All right.
That's all you gotta do. There. We can go up here. We can go wherever.
I'll follow you.
Let's go over there, dude. Hey, look right there. With all the short hill. 3 hills over right there in front of us. With all the little nubbies. Yeah. All right. Yeah, it's all little nubbies. Yeah, dude.
conduit right there too.
Yeah, that's good.
So let's start in the bowl.
Yeah. You just lead the way. I'll follow you.
It's hard to do it looking through the camera.
No, I know. So don't necessarily worry about that. You'll get there eventually.
Uh-oh, on the conduit. That's easy.
No, that one's more twitchy than this one. But you're all or nothing. Interference. Right back up that hill, dude. Oh, it's weights in the front.
All right, I didn't want to do that, but
Good thing there's not points.
oh, we gotta watch out for our shadows here.
It's all good, man. People understand. Am I supposed to go to this little dirt right here?
Wherever you want.
Well, I'm supposed to be following.
I'm gonna head down into this trench over here,
Yeah, look.
right over there. Construction guys are here. Well, we're right across from the police department, so if we were up to no good, we would have picked somewhere a little more inconspicuous.
Come on, guy, don't flip it. Flip it, guy. Hand to God.
We're gonna go off this edge over here, straight up from where I'm at.
Alright.
Doesn't look like much in the video, but I can tell. Oh, I couldn't stay ahead of it.
I almost had it. Almost had it.
All right, well, let's climb this right here.
If you can beat up right here, that'd be cool. You could almost go up here and then go up the ridge.
All right, I'll try it.
Probably need maximum throttle for this one. That's really good at side hilling, not necessarily going straight up.
Gotcha.
This one can go straight up better now.
It wants to flip backwards.
Nah, not even that. Do some more gas. All right, my turn. Back to the line. Come on, guy. WD-40 the tires again. Come on. Ah, it.
I think she's too steep of a hill, huh?
Well, and traction and ground clearance. Come on, guy. Try. That kind of looks like a line right here. That kind of looks like a line. Let's get steep right at the top. Right at the top.
I don't know. Try going up over there. Can you go?
Sideways kind of.
It's gonna be a steep side hill there. Oh. Oh. Listen.
That one will probably do it. It's probably hard because you're reverse. As you get hung up on the approach.
He's good.
Huh?
You gotta go?
No.
Oh.
No, let's reset. Let's reset.
Switch. Somewhere else.
Hey, guys.
Sorry. Right here. Right here.
Right here? Up or down?
Up.
Make it on. I'm gonna go first. You follow. This thing's still on. No, I'm gonna go. You want to switch?
I don't care.
You hand it to me.
I thought that's what you meant. When you said
No. Just different location.
All right, you first.
So can I go? Very good start. No trash. See the stock servos, they don't want to turn their wheels very well.
No, it doesn't.
So it gets bound up just a little bit. Like there, it's turned all the way lock.
Get it running. There you go. Ooh.
Side here. Traction. Yeah, come on. Back. Come on. Oh, I think the battery's changed on
Oh yeah, you got it.
this. Oh, the battery's done, dude.
What?
It gave it, yeah, it
We
gave up
already
its
burned
ghost.
through a battery?
Dude, it gave up its ghost getting to the hill.
Well, I would say that qualifies you made it. You're right there.
Yeah, it had it, but yeah, it's got steering, but
That's weird.
no, it happens.
Not very long. I thought it would have lasted longer.
All right, drive that one up there. Let's leave that one where it's at.
Oh, so you eliminate that line as a possibility?
I don't think you need it.
Oh.
I don't think you need it. I said, I don't think you need it.
Now, can we go up Mount Everest here?
Do it.
I'm gonna have to go through the bush. No, I can't.
Looks like that's doable.
The bush?
No, the way you're going, looks like that's doable.
Yeah.
You know more juice, put it on full power.
I don't want to roll backwards. Oh, it helps. It helps if we stand on solid ground when we're filming.
Yeah. What a little rig, huh?
All right, now
What a
go
little
up
rig.
close to it and then back away so you can see how big of a hill it's sitting on.
So go up close. Like up here? Like that close?
Yeah, then just start walking back.
Let's put it on. Right there. Actual zoom.
Kneel down. Kneel down.
That tall? That tall.